Today, Christian, we have become so secular. We try to invite everything into the church. We try to bring everything but God. Amen? And when we go out, be set apart for my glory. To be holy is to be set apart, to be dedicated, to be different. Reverend Bain used the term uncommon. To be uncommon, to have a mind like Christ, hating what he hates and love what he loves. We should be a people created and governed by God, intended to represent him in the earth with truth. Amen? But we have been so concerned with trying to look like the world. And he called us to not look like the world. He called us to be separated, to be dedicated for his will, for his glory, that he could be exalted in the earth.